Hi everybody! I wish that you start the course at 100% with the intention of really making a difference to your life. As a life coach, a very important part of my job is accountability. This is, who is going to be the witness of the change within this journey? If you can think of somebody, just give him or her a call or send a message explaining what you really want to get. That you really want to get productive, and perhaps invite that person to see your assignments. It usually works really well if the person is somebody by your side, but do not hesitate sending messages to me also. Explain what you felt doing the assignments and how you felt while you were doing them. In this video, I present you with the stress-free effective learning model. I created this model so that you are able to identify how you're doing in the different areas of your learning. Each chapter of the course will work in each one of these areas, so that by the end of the course, we have a clear way of measuring your progress. Don't stress if you feel you didn't reach where you wanted to be at the end. Some of the techniques require practice, and sometimes it is worth picking one or two techniques at a time until they are really in your toolbox. Just come back if you need to rewatch the videos or send me an email. I will be happy to clarify or provide you with extra pointers. The different areas are clarity, energy, information quality, study strategies, and focus. In the diagram, you can see how each of these areas has 5 levels. Level 0 or empty would mean that you really feel that you're not doing well there. On the other side, the last level, level 4, or all of the areas fully painted, would mean that you believe that you don't need to improve on that area. Now it is your turn. Right after this video, you have a PDF with the stress-free effective learning model template. Print it or do it digitally, filling in the level you think you are at. At the end of the course, we're going to review it and clearly see your amazing progress. Why do I think this is important again? Well, these techniques can be explained under a minute each, yet having heard the technique and having implemented it and having it now under your toolbox is very different. With this, I want to make sure to work with you so that you leave this course with the tools under your belt. I want to take the opportunity here to emphasize that thanks to you, this is a large community of people who want to be very efficient and productive. So I would encourage you to interact with each other and share information. Also, of course, you can send me questions at any point about anything. So now, let's crush it!